Have you ever wished your Samsung phone could understand what you are doing before you even tap the screen? Well, the new Galaxy S26 Plus can. It has a hidden AI feature that quietly saves you time every single day, and most people don't even know it exists. By the end of this video, you will know how to turn it on and why you will probably use it every day. Let's get started. The hidden feature is called Now Nudge. It uses Galaxy AI to understand what's currently on your screen and instantly suggest the next action. For example, if someone sends you a message saying, "Let's meet this Friday at 7 p.m., your phone automatically shows a button to add that event to your calendar. If a friend asks you to send holiday photos, now Nudge can find the relevant pictures in your gallery without you searching through hundreds of images. It can even recognize phone numbers, addresses, and other useful information, then offer the fastest way to use them. To turn it on, open Settings, tap Galaxy AI, select Now Nudge, then switch it on. Once enabled, it quietly works in the background and pops up helpful suggestions only when they are relevant. Everything is designed to happen in just one tap, helping you complete tasks much faster. Have you tried Now Nudge yet? Let me know in the comments if you think this is the smartest new Galaxy AI feature. And don't forget to subscribe for more hidden Samsung tips that most users never discover.